Dear viewers, welcome to our Fashion Genie channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of modern bathroom floor wall tiles design ideas. With nearly every part in the bathroom being fit for tiling, tile can do for a bathroom what landscaping can do for an empty space. Step into a bathroom tiles showroom and you'll be surprised as white matte finish tiles has remained the bathroom standard for a long time. Tile walls around tubs are perfect for building a focal point, turning the bathing area into an inviting design. Pictorial mosaics set the stage for your next bath escape. When it comes to the floor, bathroom floor tiles designs vary from neutral combination of earth tone tiles to black and white checkerboards. Small mosaic tiles in distinctive colors are a timeless classic. To avoid an unduly busy scheme, bathroom floor tiles should complement the wall color. Different types of modern bathroom floor wall tiles designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.